Did you know that the way we phrase our words can completely change how others perceive us? By replacing apologies with gratitude and positivity, we can communicate more confidently and leave a lasting impression. For example, instead of saying, "Sorry, I'm late," what if I say, "Thank you for waiting for me? I'm excited to join this discussion." Or, when I made a mistake, rather than saying, "Sorry, I made a mistake," I say, "Thank you for pointing that out. I'll fix it right away." Even in everyday moments like responding to an email, instead of saying sorry for the delay, I say, "Thank you for your patience. Here's my response." These little shifts not only change how we are perceived, but also create more positive and professional tone in our interactions. So, why apologize when you can appreciate? Let's transform our communication today.